The Jeremy Skibicki trial will move forward with a jury. His lawyer's attempts to make this a judge-alone trial were denied by the judge, Glenn Joyle. Before revealing his decision, Joyle explained to those inside the courtroom only two people can overturn having a jury trial, the presiding judge and the Attorney General. Skibicki's lawyer, Leonard Tyre, spoke briefly outside the courthouse.
Chief Judge's decision, and just follow it, of course, and onwards and upwards we go to the jury trial.
A lot of the defense's expert testimony that Joyle heard this week was about pre-trial media coverage and jury bias. However, the research presented was focused on U.S. trials. In the end, Joyle said the Canadian judicial system is different and that the defense did not present a clear enough case for him to change to judge alone. Joyle made it a point to say the law doesn't require jurors' minds to be a blank slate. He trusts the instructions the jurors receive is enough, especially after having taken their oaths. This was the second time defense tried to get the jury tossed. Earlier this year, they filed separate motions that were also denied. Outside the courthouse, family members and supports from some Indigenous organizations gathered after the decision, but chose not to share their thoughts publicly right now. Skibicki's ex-mother-in-law was also in attendance supporting the families.
I believe that justice will come for those poor victims that deserve, the families deserve this closure, and he deserves to, if he's guilty or found guilty, he deserves to pay the price.
In court this week, it was also revealed Skibicki's defense team would offer a not criminally responsible on account of mental disorder defense. Outside, his lawyer would only say this.
That'll be elucidated further in the trial proper, so we'll leave it at that.
The start of the trial begins on Monday. Now, what's said in the courtroom on both Monday and Tuesday are considered closed hearings, which means it can't be reported on. Meanwhile, the jury is expected back midweek on May 8th. T.R. Wheatley, APTN National News, Winnipeg.